What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Favre. In today's video, guys, is all about Loom network, guys, which has been pumping up in value. As you can see, 34% up in the last 24 hours, making it just under 6 cents. So what is going on with the crypto? As you can see, out of nowhere, it pumped up very early this morning, fluctuated, and another pump again earlier this morning, about a couple of hours ago. It has dropped back down, but is it going to pump back up, or is it going to keep dropping in value? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, as well as covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it a good time to buy? Is it too late? Is it time to sell on a profit, or should you just hold on to it? And looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, Loom network has managed to gain the second top spot in the top gainers list, and the market is also up just about 2% in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, it managed to drop nearly 9% in value, which is absolutely insane. Obviously, because of the major pump that's taken place over the last day, 34%, over the week 16%, and over the whole month 25%. Has been very volatile. It's been peaking up in value, dropping back down in the last couple of days, and right now has had a major pump, but we can see it slowly starting to drop back down. So again, going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 7,800% in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane, making it just about $177 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Loom network. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. As you can see, 63% buy against 37% sell. So yeah, we do have a lot of people investing into it, but we also got quite a bit of people selling it, potentially taking out their profits and then reinvesting when it drops back down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Loom network at 0.05058. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 0.05867, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, what do we have? We do have the orange line slightly slanting towards the positive direction, and the blue line is flat out going in a straight line. Only reason for that is, yes, it did pump up in value, however, it is starting to drop back down. So the graph thinks, you know what, yes, it's pumped, but it's time for it to drop back down in value. So over the next 12-14 hours, so let's say towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting it to trade at a lower value than what it's worth at the moment. However, that does not mean it's going to stop it from pumping up again. We may even be able to hit the 7 cents target over the next couple of hours, but it is going to drop back down after that. Dropping below the 6 cents target is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day. But in between that time, I am expecting it to be volatile, going above the 7 cents or going towards the 7 cents target, somewhere around there, and then dropping back down. So ups and downs, green candles, red candles, just like how it's been over the last couple of hours. But over the next 12 hours overall, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking very bullish, guys, very positive. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, which can only mean it is not too realistic. The only reason for this is because the major increase in value over the last, let's say 12 hours, the graph is made the graph think, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, but that is not the case. So this is not realistic at all. If I went by what this graph is telling me, is do expect it to keep pumping over the next 7-8 days, which is absolutely not true. So what I am expecting is, again, it to drop back down in value by mid next week. So over the next 7-8 days, I'm expecting the crypto to drop below the 0.055 target and potentially head towards just about the 5 cents target, or even so trading between 0.045 to 0.05 is what I'm expecting, with very minimal peaks and drops in between. Again, yes, we may see a pump up here and there, but nothing major. But again, the overall outcome over the next 7 days, once again, it seems to be more on the negative side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks. Now, we're not looking as steep as the previous chart, but obviously, we've got the blue line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and so is the orange line. Of course, the blue line is looking a little bit more steep. That's why it's much more clearer. But yes, I'm expecting an overall increase over the next couple of weeks. So let's say early October to mid-October, we should be able to head towards the 8 to 9 cents target is what I'm expecting. However, this all depends on how the crypto market performs, and especially how Bitcoin performs, as it has a major impact on the whole crypto market, and other factors as well, like Loom Network, if they've got any projects going on, any collaboration, so on and so on. This could have a major impact on the value of Loom Network. But anything like that if I get to know, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Now, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since late April 2022. We've been getting worse and worse and worse. However, right now we are slowly and steadily starting to pick up in value, which is what we want to see. We don't want it to pump up in value out of nowhere, head into the green zone and then straight away drop back down. That's not really sustainable. That's not really a strong project. What we want to see is a slow and steady increase in value on Loom Network. It could take a couple of months for it to hit the green zone, but that's much more stable. We want it to head into the green zone and stay there, even though yes, it is likely to resist once it hits its resistance target of 9 cents. It is going to resist. It's going to try and drop back down in value. It's going to struggle to get past there, but once it does, it is confirmed, or more or less confirmed, that we will be trading in the green zone. But I'm not expecting anything like that as of yet, as it could take a lot of time. Yes, we will see major pumps here and there. This has happened in early last month as well. As you can see, pumped up to 7 cents and straight away dropped back down, and the exact same thing is happening here as well. Major pump, but I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Loom Network, guys. So for the rest of the year, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone, but hopefully very late this year or early next year, we should be heading into the green zone. So let me know what your predictions and your expectations are. What is the highest figure Loom Network can hit in 2022? Comment down below, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. I don't want to keep you guys here for any longer, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.